Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Subhrajit Sahoo, Assistant Professor in Nursing Engineering College. Today, what I'm going to discuss in this video, one more important topic from the sorting mechanism. Already the sorting mechanism I told in the beginning of the video lectures. We are going to discuss about three types of sorting, right? Three types of sorting mechanism we are going to discuss. One was selection sort. Okay. Second one is bubble sort. Bubble sort. Third one is insertion sort. Insertion sort. Apart from these three, there are merge sort, quick sort, heap sorts are there, but confined to your syllabus, only these three types are there. Algorithms with programming. Algorithms, right? Algorithm for selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, and with programming also there. So we will discuss those things today. Today my topic is bubble sort, right? Observe here carefully what is the meaning of bubble sort. I will tell. In the selection sort, 1 minute. Okay. In the selection sort, suppose I have a number series of number group of elements. I have suppose 30 on minus 5. Okay, then 21. Okay, next is 10 and another is suppose 18, right? So this series number, the group of integer elements are not in sorted order, either ascending or descending. Nothing is satisfied here as it is not available in ascending or descending order. So selection sort, what concept we have done? Suppose we are going for the ascending order, then I compare this element with this one. Again, this element with this one. This element not, this index cell element. 0 index is 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'll tell this element, it will be a mistake. What I done exactly, this index element with this index element. Then first index or 0 index element, again second index, 0 index element again with the third index, and 0 index element again with the fourth index. So after this pass, after this attempt, I will get what the result? I will get definitely minus 5 at the beginning positions. Okay, definitely I will get the minus 5 at the zero positions after this attempt. Then no need to, in the second attempt, no need to consider this one. Then I have to consider from one index with two index, one index with three index, one index with four index. Then after this pass, I will get minus 5 here and 10 here. Second highest number. Okay, na? This is the least number, and this is second highest number, 10. After getting this, again I compare with this element, second two index element with the three index, two index element with four index. So this concept is called a selection sort. This concept is called a selection sort. Okay, and based on that we have also wrote the program. If you have not watched that video, please, I will give the description link in this video. So once you try that, okay, that is easy also, too easy. So this is about the selection sort. And one important point in the selection sort, remember the list element or minimum value always come to the beginning, then second minimum, second maximum, then next largest number, next biggest number will come at the end. So in the selection sort, we are positioning the list element at the beginning. List element we are positioning at the beginning. Okay, this is the selection sort concept. Now coming to bubble sort, what is the bubble sort here? Let me take you same element, suppose 30 minus 5, 21, 18 suppose, then suppose 13, right? So this is my group of elements. I will implement bubble sort here. Which techniques are bubble sort? Today program bubble sort. Sir, bubble sort technique, how it is works, observe carefully. Sir, first I will take this element 30. This is index number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will take 0 index element. I will compare this 0 index with 1 index. Okay. So 30 is bigger, minus 5 is small. So what will be happen? Exchange, swapping has to be done. So minus 5 will come here. 1 minute. Minus 5 will be come here and 30 will be moved there. And remaining number as it is 21, 18, 13. Then what I will do? In the selection sort, I was checking the selection sort. I was checking again 0 element with 2 cell. But here in the bubble sort, not that concept. I will check one index cell with 2 index cell. Okay, one index cell with 2 index cell. Sir, is swapping is required? Yes, swapping is required because 21 is less, 30 is more. So swap it minus, it become minus 5. 21 will come in the place of 30 and 30 will move to 21 plus and remaining number 18, 13. Again in the third attempt, what I will do? In the third, what I will do? So this index number 1, 2 over, then index number 2 with 3 I will check. Is it required to swap? Yes, sir. Again, it is required to swap. Minus 5 is come 21. It is 18. It is 30. And it is 30. Right? So, 2 to 3 over. Now, 3 to 4 is there. 3 to, okay, 2 to 3 is over. Now, 3 to 4. Observe. I will compare this with this. Sir, is it required to swap? Yes, it is required to swap. Then, it is become minus 5, 21. 18, 30, 13 and 30. Okay. Now all elements cover, but I have not got the desired answer. This is not the pure sorted list, right? Because 13 is there, 13 should become here, 18 should become here, then 20, lot of things are there. After one attempt, after one time executions, I got this answer, but this is not the correct answer. Then what I have to do? Again, same step I have to repeat from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. But observe, after this one executions, 30 among this list, 30 is the bigger number. So 30 already available in its position. Bigger number is at the end, rightmost element. So when I will go for the second attempt, I will ignore 30. I will not consider. Why? Because unnecessary I will consider, because 30 is already available in its proper position. In the selection sort, we are ignoring the left side element, because in the left side element already the list value is present. In the bubble sort, quite opposite, I will ignore the extreme right side element, because in the right side part, the bigger element already over after the first executions, right? So 30 I will be ignored. You can consider, but no benefit, time taking process, better to ignore 30, right? Now coming to after this first execution, sir, what is the result, sir? I got minus 5, 21, 18, 13, 30. Then what I will do, sir? Again, I will start comparison from 0 once again, 0. But in the selection shot, 0 is ignored, because in the 0 cell, last list element will be there. One cell onwards, we are starting in the selection start. But in the bubble set, once again start from 0. Compare this one. Sir, is it required to swap? No, minus 5 is at the leftmost part. So not required to swap, as it is minus 5, 21, 18, 13 and 30. Then what will you have to do? Then I will compare one index with two index, just like same 0, 1, then 1, 2, then 2, 3, then 3, 4, like the same procedure I am following here. 1 to 2. Sir, is it required to swap? Because 21 is bigger than 18. Sir, it is required to swap. So minus 5, 18, 21, then 30, then 30. Okay. Next again, sir, 1 to 2, 1. This is index number 0. This is index number 1. This is index number 2 and 3 and 4. Sir, 1 to 2 over. Now 2 to 3. 2 to 3, check 2 to 3. Okay. Is it required to swap, sir? Again, it is required to swap because 13 is the less than. So that's why once again it become minus 5, 18, 13, 21, and it is become 30. Okay, then I have to check 3 to 4, but already it is in a proper position, but I have to repeat because I'm using the looping statement. In between, I cannot disturb the looping statement. I have to execute the looping statement till end of the all elements cover, right? Then I have to check 21 with 30. Sir, is it required to swap? No, not required to swap, sir, because already they are at the proper position. So minus 5, 18, 13, 21, and 30. I got. Okay, na? But is it correct answer? No. See, there is a problem. 13 should be come here. 18 should be come there, right? Then that means I have to repeat the same steps once again. Once again, I have to repeat, right? Once again, I have to repeat. Sir, how to repeat again? See, again, what I will do and observe. After this second attempt, 30 is the rightmost element. Then 21 also came to its proper position because before 30, 21 is there or not. Then when I will go for the third attempt, I will ignore 30, also 21, because no benefit to consider these two cases. Already they are at proper positions, right? Unnecessarily, if I will consider this one, it will be time-taking process. So for that, what I'm doing, observe carefully. Sir, after this one, okay, after this one, what is the result I got, sir? Result I got, 1 minute. Let me delete this all. Okay, result I got minus 5, 18, 13, 21, and 30. I will ignore this two. Not required. So here, oh, sorry. Here I checked, right? Here not required, actually. It is not required. Here I checked, right? I told here I have to ignore, but I checked mistakenly. So it is not required. Not required to check 21 with 30 because 30 is at the proper position, right? So mistake. Okay, no problem. So in this third attempt, I will ignore this two, right? Then what I will do, observe carefully. Once again, I will compare minus 5 with 18. Sir, index is 0, index is 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, I'm comparing index, the elements in the particular index. 0 index with 1 index elements you check. Sir, is it required to swap? Not required. Minus 5 is at the list proper position. 18 as okay, no problem. Then what answer I will get? I will get answer same minus 5, 18, 13, 21, 30. I will not consider this two. Okay, I'm forgetting, right? Okay, no problem. Now I will compare with 18 with what? 13. 18 with 30. Sir, is it required to swap? Yes, it is required to swap. Minus 5, 13, 18, 21, 30. Okay. Now, after that, not required to check with 21 because I told I will ignore this one, right? So not required. So already it is sorted. It is already sorted. Minus 5, 13, 18, 21, 30. It is sorted. Sir, how many attempts? 3 attempts. But maybe here in place of minus 5, here maybe some number will come here, minus 4 in place of 13. Maybe some minus 4 number will come. Maybe in that case, one more attempt I have to do. In place of 13, minus 4 suppose came. So one more attempt I have to do. What is that attempt? I have to check once again. That means after the third attempt, 18 is at proper position, 21 is at proper position, 30 is at proper position. When I will go for the next attempt, I will ignore this 3. Not consider this 3. Only I will check with 0 with 1. Is it required to swap? If it is minus 4. If it is minus 4, is it required to swap? Yes, it is required. If it is 13, not required to swap as it is minus 5, 13, 18, 21, 30. I am telling the case. If in place of 13, minus 4 is there. Chance is there. Okay, no? Chance is there. That means you will get this answer, right? So how many attempt? First attempt, second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt. Remember how many number of element is there? How many number of element? 5 number of element. When number of element is n, definitely the attempt has to be done for sorting all the elements in minus 1 attempt. 4 attempts has to be done. It is cannot possible by 3, 2 or 1 attempt. I have to go for the n minus 1 attempt, right? Now simple simplification I will do. What is my elements are? My 30 minus 5, 21, 18, 13, right? Okay. 1 minute. Mistakenly I saved. Control N. Okay. 30 number is what? 30 minus 5, 18, 21, 13. This is my elements, right? Now what I have done, sir, exactly observe carefully. This is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, I checked 0 with 1, 1 with 2, 2 with 3, and 3 with 4 in the first attempt. In the second attempt, I checked again 0 with 1, 1 with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4 I cancelled, right? In the third attempt, I checked 0 with 1, index number I am telling, 0 index number with 1 index number, 1 with 2. Again, this 2 I cancelled. Again, in the fourth attempt, I checked, sorry, first, second, third, fourth attempt, I checked this with this. Then this one cancelled, this one cancelled, this one cancelled. Finally, I got the answer. Finally, I got the answer, right? I got the answer. Now see, observe carefully. Very interesting it is. Sir, you take variable I and take one more j. Okay. Now, this is the first attempt. This is second attempt. This is third attempt. And this is fourth attempt. Okay. Now, first attempt I equal to 0. What is my number of elements? N equal to 5 here. Okay. N equal to 5. I number 0. I equal to 0. When I equal to 0, I checked 0 index with 1 index. So j equal to also 0. And j plus 1. I checked with j plus 1 because I checked with 0 with 1. So 0 with j plus 1 I checked. Again, 0 with 1 I checked. Then in the same attempt, first attempt, I checked 1 with 2. That means I checked 1 with 2. In the same attempt, I checked 2 with 3. When j value is 2, j plus 1 is 3. In the same attempt, 3 with 4 I checked. Okay. Starting value is 0, ending value is 4. Right. Now, second attempt. When I value is 1. Okay, I value is 1. Again started 0 with 1. 0 with 1 I checked. Then again I checked with 1 with 2. So 1 with 2 I checked. Then I checked 2 with 3. 2 with 3 I also checked. Then 3, 4 checked or not checked? Sir, not checked, right? Okay. In the first attempt, I went up to 3 with 4. But in the second attempt, it is ended at 2 to 3. 3 to 4 not gone. Okay. Now in the next attempt, when I equal to 2. Again, I checked with 0 with 1. Third attempt. Index number 2, but third attempt. First attempt, second attempt, third attempt. 0 with 1 checked. And 1 with 2 checked. 1 with 2 checked. And 2 with 3 not checked. Here not checked. Here not checked. Here not checked. Right. Now, when I'll go for the next attempt, fourth attempt, I checked with 0 with 1 only. This one not checked, not checked, not checked. Right. Okay. Now see, what is the I value? Starting value 0, ending value 4. Ending value is 4. I starting value is 3, na, right? Not 4. After 2, 3 it is. Not 3. Ending value is 3. So I value is 0 and starting value is 0. Ending value is 3. Right? So how to write in the program? Observe carefully. I will write here for what is the I starting value, sir? I equal to 0 and I less than equal to 3. If it is 5 elements, I am going for 4 attempts. 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts. But index number starts from 0. Na? It is ended at 3. That means how much difference between this 5 and 3? 2 difference. Suppose n value is 6, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. What is the difference? 6 minus 4. Again 2. That means can I write n minus 2? Every time 2 difference. Every time 2 difference, right? Semicolon I plus plus. I plus plus, right? For loop. First for loop over. Now for when I value 0, j value also 0. When I value 1, j value also 0. For I value 2, j value also 0. For I value 3, j value, that means j equal to 0. Okay? For every time j equal to starting value is 0. J less than, okay, j less than, j less than, observe carefully, very interesting this one. Sir, j starting value is 0, ending value of j, observe 3. This is j plus 1, this is not j, this is j plus 1, right? What is the ending value? 3. When I value is 1, when I value is 1, what is the j ending value? 2. That means in the first attempt j ending value is 3, in the second attempt j ending will reduce to 1, 2. When the I value is 2, j ending value of 1, because this is j plus 1, this is j plus 1, this is j plus 1, right? 4 is j plus 1, so it become 1. That means again in one more attempt j value ending value reduces again 1. That means every attempt j value is reducing 1, 1, 1, ending value of j is reducing 1. Now when I value is 3, observe the j value is 0. This is j plus 1, this is j plus 1 is 1. That means every time it is reducing, what, in every attempt 1, 1 reducing. Then how can I write? Can I write j less than equal to n minus 1? No, it will not work. It will not work because n minus 1 means always this value will be fixed. N value is 5, 5 minus 1 4. Okay, na? 5 minus 1 4, every time 4. But in the first attempt it is 3, right? Okay, n minus 2 I will write, n minus 2, it will become 3. Now it become 3, it become 3. But in the second attempt it should be become 2. But how can I? But already I have written n minus 2. How to simplify this problem? Observe carefully, very interesting. What I'll do, instead of this one, what I will write, j less than equal to less than n minus I minus 1. Okay, n minus y minus 1. Or you can write j less than n minus y minus 2. Like this also you can write. If you're not writing this equal to, then write here 1. Okay, okay, let me write this one. Then j plus plus. Okay. Then same as it is, the swapping mechanism. What is the swapping mechanism, sir? Simple swapping mechanism. You have to write here, if a of j is greater than a of j plus 1. Okay, na? J plus 1, then bracket start, you have to swap temporary variable. You take one variable temp here, you write here temp equal to a of j. Okay, na? Then a of j equal to a of j plus 1, then a of j plus 1 equal to temp, by bracket close. By writing this, all the elements, this is the looping statement, it will be repeat automatically, it will be repeat internally. And by writing this concept, this is the swapping mechanism. When this condition will be satisfied, when left side element will be bigger than right side element, then swapping is be done. If left side element is smaller than swapping element, then it will be not done, this part will be not done, right? So this is the logic. This is the logic you have write for the bubble sort. Observe here, through the program I will tell same logic I will write. What I have written here, one second, you look at here. So I equal to 0, I less than equal to n minus 2, I plus plus, j equal to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1. See, when I value 0, n minus n value is what? 5. 5 minus 0 minus 1. 4 less than 4 means up to 3 it will go. Less than 4 means up to 3. That's why I told, if I want to put equal to, then you put here 2. Then it will come up to 3, right? So any one logic you write, not a problem, right? Now when I will become 1, n value is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 less than 3 means it will go up to 2. Less than 3 means it will go up to 2. Next, I will become 2. N value is 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2. 2 means less than 2. Less than 1, it will go up to 1. Right? Like this, this logic will to work. Okay, now observe here carefully. Interesting. has include stdio dot h has include cunio dot h. Okay, void main bracket start clr function. Okay, how many variables are first declare one array integer a of suppose 20, maximum size I have taken maximum element 20. Okay, comma I comma j is required, comma temp is required, and how many elements you want, for that en is required. Now printf enter number of element you want based on the user. I will enter number of elements you want. So once this message will be displayed, enter, the user will enter from the keyboard that n value. So scanf function has to be there, scanf percentile d comma ampersand n. Then after finalizing the number of element type, suppose, then type element I have to enter to the array. Then puts printf, right, once again printf enter percentile d element, right, element comma n, right. It will display what is the n value, that particular number of elements it will be display. Okay, so it will display. So how to enter to the that element to the array? So for loop use, because 5 6 element. So for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, right. Then scanf, right, scanf percentile d comma ampersand a of I, right, ampersand a of I. Okay, now my input part is over, elements entered, that means I entered the element in random order, but I want to now sort it. Logic, right? For what is the logic I told? I equal to 0, I less than equal to n minus 2, right, I plus plus. I told this logic only in the Paint software I explained there. Now bracket start, for loop again, j equal to, every time j equal to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1. If you don't want to write this one, then you write j less than equal to n minus I minus 2. Anyone is fine. Let me go with the first one, n minus y minus 1, then j plus plus, right, j plus plus, right. Now if, check here, a of j is greater than a of j plus 1. Okay, na, a of j is greater than a of j plus 1, bracket start. Swapping has to be done. What is the swapping you will do, sir? Temp equal to a of j. Okay, na, in one line I am writing. Now a of j equal to a of j plus 1. Okay, na? Now a of j plus 1 equal to temp temp. Over, program over, bracket close. Okay, now swapping done. Now I have to print, I have to display those elements. Okay, na? So printf or puts, right, puts after sorting, anything you can write, elements are, or sorted elements are like this, elements are right here. For loop once again, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, printf percentile, this time 3d. Okay, 4d take minus 10, suppose I will give now. Okay, a of I. Okay, bracket close. Now get ch function use and bracket close. Alt F9. Any error? 2 errors. Where is the error? Let me see. Compound statement means, oh sorry, if bracket na, this is if bracket end, first half second for loop bracket end, first for loop bracket end. Alt F9. Now see, complete 0 error. Control F9. What is asking, sir? Enter number of elements you want. Sir, I want 5 elements. Okay, na? Same elements I will give 30. Okay, 30 minus 5 18, 21, and 13. Okay, now see, after sorting elements minus 5, 13, 18, 21, 30 sorted or not? Very simple. Now control F9. This time 4 elements. Okay, now I'm giving sir 9, 8, 7, 6. This is in descending order, big to small. But I have written program to make it ascending order, small to big. Observe, converting or not? 6, 7, 8, 9. It is working happily. So this is the concept of what? Bubble sort, right? Bubble sort. This is the logic, and same logic I implemented there. So I hope this concept is understood to you. If you're not, please watch this video 1 to 2 times, then you will get clarity on that. So in the next video I will continue the one more type of sorting, that is insertion sort. Till then, take care and bye.